video, see if this fixes my issue. I have finally started getting a little bit of rain, and the wipers don't work on any of the intermittent settings. Or if I use my windshield spray, it sprays the windshield, but it doesn't wipe it. So I'm thinking it's the multifunction switch. So we're going to replace that here in a minute. I'm just on my way back from the auto parts store. Alright, so real quick, things you're going to need is a T20 screwdriver for the narrow shaft to get up inside of the thing, the plastic housing. It's going to go about that deep. You'll see that in the video when I take the plastic housing off, that a bit on a screwdriver or on a multi-tool will not fit, so you want the actual T20 screwdriver. The other thing you're going to need is a T20 security screw. This one you can use the bit, you don't need it on a extension or anything, you just need the bit just to get the tamper-proof screws off. You'll need an 8mm socket and maybe a flathead to pop the cover off of the wiring harness. So right here underneath the steering wheel, you're looking up, here's my switch. You want to, it's hard to tell with the sunlight, right there, the lever for the tilt. Just unscrew that and the whole thing slides out. And take your T20 screwdriver. One there. Got one up in that hole, and this is why I said you need that, because that is how far up that screw is, and with a bit it won't fit inside of that hole. And then one on the other side. So 3 across the front there. And then take the plastic covers off. Which are those right there. So take those off. And then right there and down there are those security bits. And then underneath this cover is your wire connection with the 8mm bolt in the back. Alright, so got my security bit. Right there. right here is that cover. Pop that top tab. Pull that cover off, which I actually don't even know if you really have to, but it's going to give me a little bit more room to get in there. And move this camera. Right there is the bolt that I was talking about, and I believe that's an 8mm. So let me go grab a ratchet and we'll pull that off. So there it is. Just pulls right off. There's no, once you take that bolt out, there's no clips. There's where the bolt goes in. You also saw the cover with a new switch, and that's all the screws that's to this. So you've got 1, 2, 3 T20s, an 8mm bolt, and two T20 security or tamper proof, whichever you want to call it, bolts. Grab those before I forget they fall. And that's it. So now, all we're gonna do is pop the new wiring harness on. The hazards already work because the button was depressed when I popped it on. Put the 8mm bolt in the back, and I'm gonna test it and see if that fixed my wipers. Just putting this bolt in the back so that I know it's depressed all the way. It's kind of hard to tell on this thing if it's plugged in all the way, so I want to make sure when I test it that it's properly seated. Yeah, that just sunk it in a little bit farther than I could push it in by hand. So. You don't want to tighten that too much because that is a plastic harness there. Actually, don't think that did it. So this might be something we are going to be chasing for a little while. Low is working. Time delay is not. I think I'm going to leave this switch on though. Even though it didn't fix the problem, I know these have been known to cause issues. So I am not going to return this switch. I'm actually going to still use it. That, and you can read it. My old switch. The letters are. Everything's gone off of it, so whatever. screws. So if anybody else has an idea as to what this may be, why my wipers do not work on delay, let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna obviously still post this video because it's good if anybody needs to do their multifunction switch to watch this, because a lot of people go to do this and they pull their column apart and realize that they need to go back to the store and get a security screw. So you'll know all that ahead of time as to what you're going to need. It's fine. A little annoyed that didn't fix it, but that's okay. Back on. Bottom back on. T20 screwdriver. Not too tight on these because all this is plastic. And then I kind of move that around until you find it, but usually you'll find it. Put your tilt switch back in. Have it. A new multifunction switch. Unfortunately, that didn't fix my problem, but maybe it will fix yours. Just want to give a quick thank you to everybody that's watched my videos. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Comments and likes I need to get up so I can get my views up. We've been doing pretty good. Just getting this channel up and going, but I'm very excited. We are almost done with all the nitpicky stuff that's kind of been driving me nuts since I bought the truck, just the small things. And then now we are going to start on performance and motor work, fast fuel systems, intakes, turbos, exhausts, lift, tires. We're going to be doing all of it. Everything's going to be on video, how-tos, comparisons, reviews, what I think of it, tail lights. We're going to start doing everything now. So now that the nitpicky stuff is out of the way, I'm really hoping this channel starts to take off. So please remember to support me, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. And hope you all had a Merry Christmas. Hope you have a great New Year. Happy holiday season. I'm excited for this. It's going to be fun. Thank you.